Good morning everyone. Today we're going to learn, for me it's the most important thing, that why we are using PHP, and it is include and required. Now what we're going to do is we're going to compare them to see the difference before we're going to start using them in our real project. Now what is include and required? Now, in previous videos we linked CSS, we linked pages, and we did a lot of linking. Include and required is the same thing, but it's going to be from the PHP, and what it does is it's going to add 2 pages to one, you can say. And the real thing, but it's going to be 1 page. You specify include, and going to bring another page inside the other page, and it will continue again. So for example, you have some text, and after you write include, you're going to include in the other file, and after you're going to continue with the normal file. Now let's talk about today. We're going to do only the difference, and in the next video we're going to use it in a real practice mode, because we're going to put it in the project, and you will understand the difference more better and how actually it works. Now I'm going to use W3 School to show you and compare very fast, because it's very simple, this thing. Now what I have right near here, it's a simple two files, one with include and one with required. Now the include, what it does is, you see here I have HTML, I have hello welcome, and here it's showing welcome. But when we write include, this is the file, it doesn't exist. So what it's going to do is I have a, and this function's supposed to be inside here. So because of this file doesn't exist, he's not going to output them. In the other case of required, when this file doesn't exist, it will stop using this one. So I have it's not even showing here, so it doesn't even run, nothing. So that is the only difference that there is comparing one to another. It means if we're going to make example something that is not actually important for the website, but it's good to have, we use include. But when we specifically by force we want this one to have, we're going to use required. If not, don't do nothing. It's more better you don't do nothing than you do something half. And I'm going to show you, to just like a tip, that what we're going to use it for in the next video. Like example, here we have a menu, and we're going to write include the menu, and here if you're seeing all, it's the menu here, and you continue texting like this. If we're going to make some changes, example, you see this dash, I don't want dash, I want a pipeline, if your client says something. Now we can go to this file menu, we change it, and it goes automatically changed to all the files, pages, you can say. But we're going to see that one in the next video, so take 2. I hope you learned something new today, and I see you next time.